Do you need to replace the keyboard on your Latitude 7440? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. The first thing that you're going to do is loosen the captive screws and then use a plastic scribe to pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. And now disconnect the battery. I recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now unscrew and remove the display cable bracket. Then disconnect the display cables. Now unscrew and remove the input-output board bridge connector. Now go ahead and disconnect the speakers. Now unscrew and remove the power button bracket, and then disconnect the power button. Then unscrew and remove the I/O circuit board. Next, unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket, and then disconnect the antenna cables. Then disconnect the cooling fan, and then unscrew the heatsink fan assembly. Then unclip the locking tabs to release and disconnect the remaining motherboard cables. Next, unscrew and remove the motherboard. Next, peel away the daughter board cable away to expose the keyboard. Now unclip the locking tabs to release and disconnect the keyboard cables. Then unscrew and remove the keyboard. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.